past e-ball classes planting some trees here, so we're gonna forest manage them. So this is a redbud tree. It has like a heart-shaped leaf. Basically, we're trying to prune it so it doesn't get in the way of the tree.
We're doing path clearing. Basically what we're doing is making a path from here to there, making it straighter and less affected area for damage. We've been digging up the path and we cleared out about 5 or 6 trees already, and we're just working on this tree right now. It's finally ready to pull out.
We are digging up silver maple trees to replant them in our community garden, so we have a new birthing place for them to grow instead of out in the wild. We uproot them in a circle pattern so we can dig up the roots instead of breaking them and pulling them out. We make sure to have some dirt on the roots so they can survive the trip all the way up from here to the community garden. And there you have it. We're just going to plant this in our community garden now, and hopefully it grows better.